Whew. Tapos na yung paghugas ko ng mga kinainan. Ato. Ako na ng strawberry. Walang ano. Lagay ko na lang dito ay ano. Asin. Medyo ano. Yan. Yeah.
Doing something here?
I'm doing my live show.
I'm doing my live coffee.
It's okay. Yeah.
I'm having a moment to myself.
Okay. I'm talking to myself.
It's okay to talk to yourself as long as you don't argue with yourself.
Yeah.
You'll never win a fight.
What is that thing that you put it in here? Like it's white?
A whipped cream?
Yeah. I wanna buy that whipped cream.
Yeah, I like the kind you get in the tub instead of the.
I know.
The spray one is okay, but the
No,
one
I
you
don't
get in
like
the
the
tub
spray.
that you can just scoop up and put it on yourself.
I know.
But you can, if you don't want, there is options, We've got vanilla ice cream. You can throw a bit of that on there. It tastes just the same.
No, I like whipped cream.
Oh, whatever. It's your own preference, your own flavor, whatever you like, I guess.
Oh, I wanna buy more spaghetti.
Whipped cream.
No, this
Strawberry.
one strawberry.
Oh, okay. So
Imagine like.
Oh, whatever. It's okay. But is this a live performance right now?
Recording.
Oh, you're recording. Then you're gonna
Then
send it out on the internet.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you switched these pillows up, and you're just testing them out now, or what?
Yeah.
They're comfortable too.
I know. Sit down.
Comfortable cushions. Wow, royal cushions. Oh, that's nice and soft on your hiney. But are they easy to? They're probably easy to take care of.
Too bad that it's not the same color. I don't like those white because it's easy to get dirty.
Well, I thought you're good. I thought you're gonna give those away eventually.
Which one?
These ones.
This?
Yeah.
No, I have that in the Philippines.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought you were giving them away.
No, that's for us.
I didn't know you're. Oh, well, you can get another blue one like that and just trade that other one in if you want. It's up to you.
I wanna. If I go back there in that store, I wanna go to a different store.
Yeah. Well, I forgot to turn that other stuff on. Just in my mind.
I'm going to start packing. So.
Yeah, it's been.
So I can send it soon as possible. So.
Yeah, we gotta dump this later.
By
tomorrow.
By March, April, in May.
Yeah, well, I don't know how long it takes to get there.
February, March, April. April, possible they received it.
You know why I was so tired today? It's because I was up so late last night baking cookies for the family. That's why I was so tired this morning, because I was up at. I woke up.
I wonder what if I put some peanut butter here.
I don't know. I woke up and I couldn't sleep, so I baked some cookies late at 3 o'clock in the morning. That's why I was so tired today when you wanted to go out. I fell asleep.
Well, because I really have to go out.
Yeah, I know.
Because I wanna. Oops.
Finish doing.
Okay.
Everybody.
Peanut butter with my strawberry.
Sure, why not? If you have a reason, just go for it.
See, oh.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy peanut butter for my aunt. And yeah,
Mhm. Okay, well, I'm gonna have some treat for myself.
yeah, nag-shopping. Kasi matagal na akong nagpaplano na mag-shopping. Para matapos ko na yung
Oh, my goodness.
iniimpake ko. Kaya lang, hindi naman ako makalabas na ako lang mag-isa. Kailangan ko kasama si Alex.
Yeah, I'm here when you need me, even though we're having a bit of a hard time because like you're getting ahead of yourself, and I'm trying to calculate on that tiny little calculator thing that has a special built-in function, eh? And I'm usually typing in the names of stuff, right? Or I could just type in just the cash number and don't even put the name. Next time I could do it that way.
Yeah.
Because I was putting the name of each item
This is for my
each one
deeds.
so we know. But you know, whatever. I should just calculate the number and then just hit
Yeah.
enter. It's faster that way. I have a mild cup of coffee.
When I'm done packing that door to door, I'm gonna go back to making a necklace and bracelet again.
I'm gonna get some more tools.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some.
I made it.
I'm gonna use my rock polisher to
Trust this.
do stuff.
And here, I made this
Just to do
necklace.
things. Just to do whatever.
Got so much stuff.
Yeah.
Naubos ko. Mm.
We got apple pie here still too.
No, you can have it, Al.
What about you?
No, I don't want it anymore.
I'm having. I'll have a slice.
Yeah, you can. I don't like it's too sweet.
Oh, it's not that bad.
I only like the crust.
Crust. Well, I'm gonna have a slice, I guess.
Can wait to see my aunt receive that parcel.
Mhm.
I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be so happy to. Yeah, she's gonna be so happy.
Well, you never know.
Oh yeah.
You never can tell. If they're happy, that's good. You know, hopefully. That'd be a nice thing. Because, you know, it's nice the fact that
You got lots
people-
of cookies.
You know, listen, it's nice the fact that people actually think about it.
Oh, I forgot to buy more. I have to buy coffee.
What kind of coffee? Just normal coffee or
Your coffee, like your coffee.
what, vanilla coffee or what?
I heard Mario.
Is there any particular type of coffee you like?
Mm-hmm.
Or you're not sure?
Al, can you put this in that?
Wait. There we go. I got it.
Thank you.
We'll soak it, I guess, or whatever.
Yeah.
It won't soak very well because it's got holes in the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I don't know. You have to. Whatever.
Can you put it in the garbage, please? So I
Leave
don't
it-
have to
leave it
get
there.
up.
Just leave it for now.
Yeah. Okay. Finish my snacks.
Well, I'm just starting, so you're finishing. There you go.
Okay,
I like
kaya,
the idea.
kaya, yan. I-relax ko ang aking mata.
Good enough for now.
Ah, Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa akin, sa aking vlogs. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat doon sa hindi pa rin nakakalimot sa akin.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Maraming salamat. Okay. Baka maputol na ang pag-uusap natin. hindi ako nakapagpasalamat. Kaya mas maraming, maraming salamat. Yeah. Pinatawa ko na lang ang mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi ano-ano pang ano. Yan, maging masaya. Yan. Magiging masaya ako, lalo na kung maipadala ko na ito sa aking auntie. Mama Rory. Saka doon sa pinsan ko, kay Nori. Yan.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Kasi ayoko magpangako na hindi ko natutupad.
Got things I
Yan.
got.
Kaya talagang i-try ko na talagang ma-email ko. Total nagastos ko sa mga binili ko para sa ipapadala ko sa aking auntie, sa kapinsan. More than $600. Ginamit ko naman yung iba kong yung credit card ko. Yan. Kaya yun. Babayaran ko yan. Buwan-buwan. Kasi ayokong masira ang credit ko. Kaya yun. Dahil kung cash mababayaran ko, oh my God, masakit sa bulsa. Kaya ginagamit ko ang credit card ko. Kaya yun, may interest ang credit card, pero at least nakakabayad ako yung kaya ko lang talaga. Kaya pero ayoko naman na magastos ko yung credit line ko. Yan. Ayan ang aking vlogs ngayon. Bakit ako malulungkot? Pero ayoko maging malungkot. Kaya kinatawa ko na lang ang mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. Yun. Kaya nga ako nagkasakit dahil nga sa mga nangloko sa akin. Grabe. Sa sunod na naman, yung nag-invest ako sa fish fund noon, 3 years, naloko din ako. Grabe. Pinirahan lang ako. Taga doon sa amin. Taga sa lugar ng Santelina. 3 years akong doon sa fish farm. Ano yun? 15 hectares siguro yun, 16 hectares. Wala naman nangyari. Pinirahan lang ako. Nang panahon na yun, nakagastos akong mga 600,000 noong panahon na yun. Kasi nagpapadala ako buwan-buwan para doon sa fish farm. Pero wala rin nangyari. Inano lang talaga ako. Inayos niya lang yung fish farm, tapos ibang nakinabang. Yun. Wala, kahit katiting na isda, hindi malang nakabigay sa pamilya ko. Ay grabe, linuko lang ako. Pinirahan lang talaga ako. Ay grabe. Pero hindi pa ako natuto. Ay grabe. Tapos nagpaloko na naman kay Buwera. Akala ko makakabalik yung nalugi sa akin. Sabi ni Buwera, ay tita, makakabalik yung nalugi sa'yo. 10 times. 10 times na naloko. Sunod naman, naloko naman ako. Si James Martinez. Oh, grabe. More than 300,000. Ay, grabe. Pinaayos lang yung bahay niya. Bahay nila. Nagbukas pa ng tindahan. Ay, grabe. Si Buwera din yun. Pinaayos yung bahay nila. Pagkatapos, yun. Siguro nag-business din yung magulang. Ay, grabe. Kasabwat pang kapatid ng si James Martinez. Kasabwat. Akalain mo kasabwat ang kapatid. Saka yung nanay. Para ako scam. Pagkatapos yan, hindi ko na makausap. Dahil nakakuha na eh. Ay, nako po. Ay, nako.